Hi guys, I came home today and my Sephora play was waiting for me. I thought I would show it to you. And I also have a YouTube made me buy it thing, Queen of the Girl Geeks, and I will link her below. Always does unboxings and demos of, I have to be quiet because Mary's stocking stuffers are in here and she's in the other room. She's not allowed in here right now while I'm recording. So I'm not quite sure how I'm going to show this to you unless she evacuates the premises. But let's look at the Sephora Play first. When you get the Sephora Play, it comes in a regular delivery box. I just took it out. I haven't opened this yet. And then it's in, what's in there is in a plastic bag. You get a list of all the items that are in there. I am not looking at it. I don't have my glasses on. I just see a blur on the monitor right now. And you get, if you are a Sephora Insiders member, you get a little card that if you buy anything in Sephora between now and this one's January 31st, you get extra points on your Sephora account. So, let's see what's in here. All right, first thing out. Moose? You want to see it, Moose? What is it? What is it? Moose is really interested. You know what? I've been bringing him toys back from the store, and every time I open a bag now, he thinks it's a toy for him. This is Skin Laundry Hydrating Face Cream Wash. Clean, hydrate, and nourish. This is a pretty good size sample. With Sephora Play, if you're not familiar with it, they send you 5 or 6 samples each month from the store, and they're deluxe size samples, like travel size. Their box is $10 a month, so they're not free samples, but they're pretty good sizes, and you get to try things out. So we'll see how this works. Cleans, hydrates, and nourishes. Next item. It's not for you, Moose. You see his head coming up. He thinks it's for him. Moroccan oil treatment for all hair types. I've gotten this stuff before. I think I have some of this already. I'm putting my hand behind it so you can see the size. We'll give it a go. Even though I'm old, I don't have problems with excessively dry hair. Ooh, Too Faced. This is Primed and Peachy Concealing Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. Okay, Moose has stopped barking. I'll finish that. Anyway, here's a little sample size of the Too Faced primer. See what else is in here? It's always fun getting these boxes, having a surprise in here. This is a little box, a little brown box. This is Fresh Sugar Lip Caramel Hydrating Balm. Ooh, I might put this in someone's stocking. Okay, as much as I like lip balms, this is a really good stocking stuffer. Let's see what it looks like in the box. How do you open this? Here we go. It's very small. Here we go. Get an idea for the size there. Very small. This is, I can't even see how many ounces it is. It's very tiny, but I guess it'll give you a feel for what this is like. Is there anything else in this bag? Yes. Ooh, here we go. Yep. I was actually out this morning at the mall and I almost got myself a little mascara, which I wanted, and I said, wait, I haven't opened my Sephora box yet. This is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. There we go. I don't use a lot of mascara, so these little sizes last me a while. And I like to try different kinds of mascara. I really like MAC. MAC has these little sample size mascaras, like $10. They come in different colors. I like those because they don't irritate my eyes. But I also like to try new ones. So there we go. I have a mascara sample. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, there's a lot in here. Holy cow, there's a lot in here this month. This is the, well, let me hold it up to you. Okay. This is the Rouge Gel Lip Liner from the Sephora collection. And let me see what color it is. They're always sending me colors I don't wear, like pink or mauve. Ooh, I just pulled the lid off it. Well, you can see it. Sort of a caramel color. I will use this, but let me see if I can show you what color it is on my palm. I think that's the wrong way to swatch something. But there you go. That's a brown. Is this an eyeliner? No, it's a lip liner. It's called Nothing But Nude. And I will use this. All right, some of these things I give to other people. I'm not going to give somebody something I swatched on my hand. And I think that is, I'm sitting here, it's like, you know, the change machine, you use a soda machine and you get change and you're always feeling in there, is there any extra change that came out? That's what I'm like here. Now that's it. They very often send a perfume sample. There's no perfume sample this month, but I like the samples I got. So that was pretty cool. Now, speaking of perfumes and scents, Mary, plug your ears. Okay. I did not get you perfume. You'll just have to wait and see. All right. I got a couple of different samples. Are your ears plugged? Some of these are for her sister and some are for her. Okay, if you are not familiar with Lush, they have all kinds of bath bombs and soaks and soaps, and everything is handmade. And there's usually a sticker on your bag by the person who made it. Look at this little thing. Throw that in the bathtub and it dissolves. It's a rocket ship. It's so cute. All right. I hope her ears are plugged. All right. This, however... Now, should I be upset if it's not really magic? Okay, you can see what it is there. You'll have to look at the screen. And this is very good, I think, for someone who is athletic, for sore muscles. And now we have the rest are of the same type as the first one. I have seen Queen of the Girl Geeks demo these, and I am definitely linking her channel below. Go click it, and you can see her. She'll cut a piece off this and show you how this fizzes. You can get a lot of uses out of just one of these. These things are awesome. So this kind of looked like a planet. You notice a theme here? We're all such science fiction, fantasy geeks, comic books, all that stuff. So that I'm a sucker for those. And then there's one more. Ooh, I didn't get the one I was going to get. There was one that was full of holes that was called Holy Night for Christmas. I thought I got that. I'll have to go back. This, oh, minty smell. And I think this is called Galaxy or Galactic or something like that. So you see it's a little planet-looking thing with a protruding equator. All right. So these are huge bath bombs. And they supposedly fizz up really nicely and make your water all different colors. And I always say this, I wish we had smell-o-vision because this smells so nice. So anyway, 2 of these are for one daughter, and 2 of these are for the other daughter that will be here, the one that does not live in New Zealand. And I can't wait till they open them. And I'm really tempted to steal one myself, but that wouldn't be in the Christmas spirit, would it? I'll have to go back and buy another one just for me. All right. That is all for now. I should have an Advent video up tomorrow for the 3rd Sunday in Advent, and the next thing I'll be getting will be probably just after Christmas. I'm getting a Stitch Fix box. So, Merry Christmas, Blessed Advent, whatever you are celebrating this year, may you have a good one or whatever you have celebrated, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.